Have you ever wondered what incredible events will happen long after we're gone? From exploding stars to the end of the universe itself, here are 11 unbelievable events you'll never get to witness. Number 11. Halley's Comet returns again. One of the most famous objects in the sky is Halley's Comet. It only swings past Earth about once every 75 years. While some people alive today may see its next return, countless future generations will continue watching it travel around the Sun long after we're gone. Number 10. A new island rises from the ocean. Deep beneath the oceans, powerful volcanoes are constantly reshaping our planet. Someday, a massive underwater eruption could create an entirely new island where there was once nothing but open water. Imagine discovering a piece of land that didn't exist just months earlier. Number 9. Earth's next supercontinent. The continents may seem permanent, but they're always moving. Scientists believe that in hundreds of millions of years, the continents could merge together into a giant supercontinent. Future maps of Earth may look completely unrecognizable compared to today. Number 8. Earth gets rings like Saturn. Some scientists believe that if a large asteroid or moon-like object broke apart in orbit around Earth, it could create a ring system similar to Saturn's. If that happened, enormous glowing rings would stretch across the sky every night, creating one of the most breathtaking sights imaginable. Number 7. Betelgeuse Explodes. Betelgeuse is a massive red star located hundreds of light years away. It's nearing the end of its life and will eventually explode in a supernova. When it happens, the star could shine so brightly that it becomes visible during the daytime. The catch is that it could happen tomorrow, or it might not happen for another 100,000 years. Number 6. The next ice age. Earth naturally cycles between warmer and colder periods. Eventually, another ice age will arrive. Massive glaciers could spread across entire continents, transforming cities and landscapes into frozen wildernesses unlike anything most humans have ever experienced. Number 5. Days become longer. The Moon is slowly slowing Earth's rotation. As a result, days are getting slightly longer over time. Millions of years from now, a single day on Earth could last 25 hours or more, completely changing the rhythm of life on our planet. Number 4. The Milky Way collides with Andromeda. In about 4.5 billion years, our galaxy, the Milky Way, will collide with the Andromeda galaxy. The night sky will be filled with dazzling streams of stars, glowing clouds of gas, and cosmic structures unlike anything humans have ever seen. It will be one of the greatest events in the history of the universe. Number 3. Earth's oceans disappear. As the Sun gradually grows hotter, Earth's oceans will slowly evaporate. Rivers, lakes, and seas will vanish. The blue planet we know today will eventually become a dry and hostile world where life can no longer survive. Number 2. The Sun becomes a red giant. Around 5 billion years from now, the Sun will run low on fuel and expand into a massive red giant star. It will grow so large that it may engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth itself. The familiar Sun in our sky will become an enormous glowing giant. Number 1. The end of the universe. The most unbelievable event of all is the eventual end of the universe. Trillions upon trillions of years in the future, stars will stop forming, galaxies will fade away, and the cosmos could become cold, dark, and nearly empty. Everything we know today may eventually disappear into eternal darkness. Which of these future events amazed you the most? If you could witness just one of them, which would you choose? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more incredible facts about space, science, and the future.